Quick and easy breakfast. Looks like we got some grits too. Can't beat it. Show you how quick and easy it is. So have yourself a breakfast ready to go. Let's go ahead and get the bacon going. I got some bacon, some scrambled eggs and pancakes, and hash browns. I'm gonna add some green peppers and onions to it, cheese. One of my favorite things to add. Let's go with the hash browns next. Get that rolling. A little oil down here in the middle. Spread that on out. Add some butter to the mix. Salt and pepper. A little bit more oil. Oh, that smells good. Get my bacon to flip. I'm gonna cut that down all the way low. This bacon's doing good. Don't take long. Go ahead and get my butter started over here. I got pretty much everything on low right now. Transfer some of this bacon grease on over here. Mix it in with these hash browns. Sprinkle some of that Lowry seasoning on there. Now's a good time to add in my green peppers and onions. Let's get that rolling. Flatten this out a little bit. Let that cook. Let that do its thing. Yeah, this bacon's where it needs to be. Just push them on. Grab a little bit more of that bacon grease. That bacon grease is the trick. Grab a little bit more butter. Eggs don't take long at all. Like to try to run from me a little bit, but we can stop them. Put a little bit more salt and pepper on these eggs. Oh, this is good. Got a nice fold on those. I'm gonna push that up. I'm gonna slide them eggs right there. Got a little pepper in that egg, that's okay. Go ahead, rock some cheese on this bad boy and let it do its thing. Now we're gonna get ready and clean a little bit for these pancakes. Put some butter down for the pancakes. Go ahead and butter you on up. Go ahead and start rocking these pancakes. Nice little drops right here. Lid on. I'm about to pull those in a minute. There we go. It's looking where I want it. About to cheese these up too. That's what I like about this. You can spread out the hash browns nice. Get a nice fry on them. A little bit of a mix on these eggs. And pull them. They're ready. Eggs are good to go. Bacon's good to go. All that's left now is hash browns. Pancakes. Let's go this angle. Oh, it's looking good. Got a little bit more time on that one. Drop down a little bit more butter. Get another roll going. Looks like we got some chocolate chip morsels. Okay, so I'm gonna hook that up. We'll do this roll with the chocolate chips. Sprinkle some of them on there. Oh yeah, kids are gonna like this. And then I gotta sample a couple of these myself. Pretty good. We love cooking on this thing. We've been enjoying it. I'll tell you that right now. That's ready. Yeah. I'm gonna get you guys going. I'll leave you for the bottom. There's a whole stack right there ready. Time to flip these. Oh yeah. Nice. It's ready. Yep. Cheesy hash browns. Finish you off. Get that on up. These pancakes off. Quick and easy. Let's cut it off. Look at that. No, look, Lily's already pulling out more pans. We don't need no more pans, baby. Quick and easy breakfast. Got some grits too. Can't beat it.